How do you keep your video from looking like this? Using a gimbal or camera stabilizer. This is the DJI Pro RS3 Mini. Very nice packaging. A quick start guide. And here's the box. Got our chargers in here. Got the tripod. Got some cables. We have the actual gimbal. Overall, it feels really quality. We're gonna find the instructions to get started on putting this together and putting a camera on this. So you can see it's calibrating right now. The DJI RS3 Mini has so many features, so let's just dive right into it. The RS3 Mini has a battery capacity of 2450 milliamp hours, which gives you about 10 hours of usage, probably a little bit less because they did do this without moving the gimbal, just letting it run. So you're probably gonna get closer to 8 hours of runtime, but still very good runtime for a gimbal. So this comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, which is very useful for connecting to the camera. It does a lot more features that way using Bluetooth, so that's a very effective way of utilizing the full potential of the RS3 Mini. So actually it has a pretty small touchscreen on the front of it, and this actually supports 11 different languages. I'll put them up on the screen right now, but that's very useful for if you're in a different country watching this video. Just know if your language is up on screen, it supports it. So the rotation speed of this gimbal is 360 degrees per second. So it can do a full rotation of the axis in a second, although it can't rotate 360 degrees this way or this way, just panning. So the tilt and the roll, they are not 360 degrees. I'll put the numbers up if you want those. I'll also leave a link in the description for where you can look at all the specs of this gimbal. But yeah, it's only the pan that's 360 degrees. Overall, the gimbal is a very good value prospect, especially when you're using it for stuff like sports, as it has a good speed so it can swivel very fast. So any low shots, it can go into the mode where the camera is low to the ground and the gimbal's above it. That is very useful. And now we're gonna look at some shots with this gimbal.